maybe I'll stand this way because I like to showcase the art.
Hey, I'm Pamela Smith, owner of the Studio Art Gallery here in Dresden, where there's 20 local artists with their artwork on display and for sale. It's all unique and lovely and original. I welcome everybody to come. Okay, so this is a collection that kind of just came about by surprise recently. William Sonny, he's from Walpole Island, born in 1876 and passed away in 1972. He painted into his 90s, and this collection has been in this collector's house for the last 60 years. So it's just come about, and we're just trying to find out some more information on this painter from Walpole Island. This is one of 9. After this weekend, I'm going to display them all up on this wall.
Visit ckartstudiotour.com.